Mirador lets you easily detect computers in a distributed environment and interact with them. The program is based on typical Hawk monitoring software and on typical messaging infrastructure. In the properties dialog, I can define Hawk environments. Here you see a lot of different environments already pre-configured. There are other settings that can be changed in the dialog, including the way Hawk microagent methods are invoked and how to deal with the result. The environments that are currently defined are available from the menu. You see that every environment shows some computers already. These computers do not have to be configured, but the tool simply shows what has been detected when Mirador was running last time with a certain environment. Let's start monitoring one of these environments and see what happened. So you see that Mirador is now detecting these different computers. The icon gets changed, so means that such a computer has been detected. Now let's have a look on what microagents are on these computers. To understand microagents, we must know that on every such computer there is a Hawk agent running, and Hawk agents can load microagents at startup, but they can also add new microagents dynamically. There are different APIs and different ways to do so. Has to be read in typical Hawk documentation. Now these are microagents. Process, for example, is a microagent. There is always a short description with them, so the guy that wants to use them exactly knows what they do. Microagents have methods like get process, for example. Also the methods are described. You can see what arguments are expected and how the result would look like. Let's invoke such a method. What you see here is a list of all the processes running on the remote computer. You can change the argument. Let's say we are interested in all rendezvous remote or rendezvous routing daemon. So we invoke that method again with this argument, and we see there are two. Click on a row and we see the details. Let's check another microagent method. System info. What architecture is it? What operating system is running on that remote computer? All such information is available. Then some information on the Hawk agent itself. When was it started? Maybe some information about the system, about the processors, CPU consumption. We invoke that method again and again, and we see the data is changing. Now, in such a case, when we have to invoke the data again and again, and we are interested about how it's changing, we would rather define a subscription just go and click that button, top right, define the interval, in our case 5 seconds, and start it. Now the result gets displayed and refreshed every 5 seconds again. We will create another subscription just for demonstration, and go to check some other microagent method, so get some statistics about network interfaces. Now I would like to go back to what I did before, so I can go and browse the history, go back, or I simply want to go to an existing subscription. I can choose it from the menu. That's as simple as that.